Hi and welcome to another episode about the hypermodeling tool for the Eclipse IDE. I hope you enjoyed the first episode about hypermodeling, and now in this video we are going to explain how to reveal other stuff than the service layer. Right now you see that the persistency category has been expanded and there are different predefined concerns in, and they all can be dragged and dropped with the whole category down, like JPA annotations or things that are named DEO, all the stuff that we know that belongs clearly to the persistency layer, like extending classes of the Spring framework that have a clear functional meaning of accessing the database, and thus we can just query for all this stuff, filter the IDE, and we have all things that belong to the persistency layer. We have an hotel that is an entity, we have a JTrack DEO that has DEO in its name, and we have something that is extending the Spring framework DEO support, the Hibernate DEO support template of the Spring framework, and hey, we can delete all this stuff from the query and compose a new one. So let's see another application. A concern that I really like is the deprecated consumer concern. Often elements in source code get deprecated when frameworks are updated, and programmers that use the framework and all the deprecated stuff, they face the challenge that they need to update all the elements that use the deprecated stuff. And normally the error view shows all these deprecated consumers as warnings, but with hypermodeling we can just drag and drop the concern and then search for the corresponding artifacts of source code that consume deprecated stuff. We have the application conversion service and the add default converter, and add default converter has a method is a method calling add converter that is deprecated, and we see it all in the normal package explorer view that is normally used by us developers. And this way we can also add unsafe casts and reveal stuff where unsafe casts is our tests. But however, if you want to know more about hypermodeling, stay tuned for the next episode. Go to our homepage and check out new stuff. We are here. We are waiting.